is good, everybody? Voidsy back at ya for another vlog. I don't know what number, because I think there might be one before this. So 3, 4, maybe 5, I don't know. It is what it is. I'm not going to label it verbally because I'll have to check my footage and all that jazz. Yeah, so I'm on my word class because it's La Friday, so I've got a bit of an illustration unit to do. So it should be good. And it's one of my favourite class, not just because it's illustration, but it starts at 11 o'clock, so I get to have a little bit of extra time when I wake up. And I just, wanted to share one of my personal goals that I have achieved at the gym today successfully, which is in my leg presses. I'm able to leg press over 100 kilos. So when I was able to do 2 sets of 5 repetitions of 100 kilos, well, I maxed out between 4 and 5 reps, I was over the bloody moon, because it's taken me about a week and a bit to be able to push, my legs to grow, essentially, to be able to handle 100 kilos. Because I was maxing out at about 90, 95, and today, not only did I hit my 100, but I also, let me get in front of this truck, not only did I just hit 100 kilos, but hit it for 4 to 5 repetitions. 4 to 5 repetitions for 2 sets. So it was a consistent, that kind of pressure on the legs, essentially. Which your boy is over the bloody moon. Because now I've got into the territory of I have become stronger than what I was before my accident. At least in my legs, anyway. Upper body is the next thing. Tomorrow I'm going to try and see if I can push 100 kilos in deadlifts. I'm not a big fan of squats, but I'm thinking about, I may as well make a start, considering, I'm doing leg press, deadlift, bench press. I may as well do squats, just to round out, the whole compound movement stuff. So I am over the bloody moon. And yeah, I don't know, I just feel lighter, like it's really nice hitting that goal. You get a little bit of a endorphin release riding home. I don't know if it's an endorphin release plus pre-workout that's just got me pinging, but yeah, it's just overall I'm happy as shit. Anywho, I'll leave that there. I might have a few things to say here or there once I finish class and I'm on my way home. Alrighty. Came back to my bike being a little bit dirty. Got down pollen from the tree above, falling on top of it. But yeah, time to head home. Gotta remember, if I sing along to the song, I need to not use the lyrics. I gotta be humming in that shit or something, because copyright's fuck. My kickstand, lovely. Now I get this pollen off my bike. Today is a goddamn nice day, to be honest. Clear skies, it's not too hot. It's wonderful for riding. I think home time. I need to grab something to eat because I haven't had breakfast. I'm literally just running off my residuals of the pre-workout. And well, I finished my pre-workout at 9 AM. Because I decided, you know what, I'm up early, I may as well just go to the gym, hey. And I noticed that now that I bought myself a new mattress, my sleep is so much better, man. So much better. I'm getting up a bit more rested, but I think that's just more my body just adjusting to the mattress. In another week or so, I think it'll be like, I'm gonna be having awesome sleep. And the fact that I'm already feeling it now, where I'm waking up and I'm not as tired as I normally am, and I'm actually like motivated and like more content, I guess, that I'm literally just I'm like, you know what, hell yeah, I had a good sleep, let's go to the gym, let's get it, kind of thing. Oh, the fluff of the mic, oh, it's tickling my nose, holy crap. There we go. Cool. Yeah, so class was good today, illustration related stuff. Second assessment is in, so we're on our final project. Final project is a mural based on the customer. This is a hypothetical kind of thing, so it's not an actual real customer, but we're supposed to treat it like a real customer and do the paperwork and procedures like we would be dealing with a customer. So yeah, we got to do a big mural, like a wall. So I got to come up with ideas based on like the shops. We have options of 4 different shops to choose from, and we got to do a massive wall mural in sort of like what would be on the side of that shop, the wall essentially on that shop. So that's going to be interesting. Very, very creative. A lot of paperwork. Oh, my nose is so itchy. But yeah, that's going to be an interesting project. Now, in all probability, like most of my videos, when I do these vlogs riding home, I always have way too much content, and I have not enough, well, too much content to fit in within 10 minutes. Too much content to fit in within the 10 minutes, so if y'all are wondering why sometimes like I have ideas and I'm talking about something and it just cuts off, it's generally because of that, because I've run out of time, and I don't want to make too long a video because then that becomes like really annoying to watch because it's just too long, and I know a lot of people don't have the attention span to be doing that shit. So I understand, but let me know if people want to see like longer videos or whatnot. Like longer in the sense like I'll add like maybe make it 12 or 13 minutes, but obviously I try not to. I try to keep it within the 10 and 11 minute mark because, you know, don't want it carrying on for too long. Like there's only so much you can really watch of like someone riding and yapping, and 10 minutes is usually the sweet spot. So yeah, let me know if you want a little bit of a longer video, like an extra 2 minutes or 3 minutes to make the video round out to about 12-13 minutes long. Let me know in the comments below, please, because I'm happy to do it, because that way I can actually, I don't have to cut myself short on certain things that I'm talking about and actually finish my thought processing on said subject. But like right now, I guarantee I have way too much, so I will cut the video here essentially, because, you know, more than enough content collected today. So as usual, you beautiful people, thank you for watching, thank you for coming back, thank you for helping me reach 100 subs. My next goal will be the big 1000 subs. Incrementally I'm going to keep adding a 0 to it. That'll be my goal setup. So 1000 subs. Y'all did an awesome job within, well, the short time of me really starting YouTube to get me to 100. So I deeply appreciate that, and I thank all of you for helping me out, and I hope I'm providing enjoyable content. And if y'all ever have any ideas as to what you want me to cover, look, pop it in the comments, man. Like that's what it's there for. If I can help anyone out, I can help anyone out, and I'm happy to do so, because, you know, That's the whole thing of the riding community. It's like we're all together in it, enjoying the same hobby. So that's my thought process. It's just like, look, you want help with something? I'll happily make a video on it. So yeah. But yep, back to finishing my outro. Thank y'all for consistently being awesome. If you find yourself coming back to my videos on a regular, or if the YouTube gods are recommending my videos to you more frequently, look, hit me up with a sub and a notification bell so you guys can keep on top of when I post. Now, I did a double post a little while back because it was the 100 sub double post, just as like a thank you, like throwing out a little extra content. And yeah, like, sub, ring the bell, you know the jazz, you know the drill. Hit it all up for me. And if you want to stay in not contact, but stay in touch with like what I'm up to on a day-to-day, my Instagram handle is in the description. Hit me up on Insta. That way you'll be up to date as to what shenanigans I'm up to on my story, or like bike, or what rides and whatnot. Yeah, thank you, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Deuce.